Like,
Are you sure it's correct?
yeah, she's working.
Where is the question mark?
Yes, I'm working on it.
Okay.
9 and make it a 14. Yes, I did it. I did it.
Yeah,
It's
that's good.
14.
Well done. But that Saturday is having some space above it and behind it. Can you take care of that space?
What do you mean?
The space before the S and the space after the Y. Can you take care of that space? Remove the space.
What space?
Your code. You not notice the space in your code. There was no space when yes, there was no space there.
There should be no space here.
Yes.
Is that white now?
Yeah, it's better now. Okay. Now I have a feeling that you just did this homework today. Am I right?
Yes.
Was that what we agreed?
No. Thousand.
Okay.
I would have done
So
it yesterday, but I was busy.
But
And I couldn't do it. But no. But Sha, your voice is cracking. Your voice is like
now, can you hear me now?
no, not that much.
Is it better now?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Manage.
Because can you talk? Wait.
Yes. Is it better now?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we can Let's learn something new today. All right. So there's a slice can also take negative position.
Yes, we talked about last week.
Okay. Can you try one?
Can I try?
Can you do a negative position with slice? Use negative index for slice.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Now.
No, sir.
You still can't hear me?
I can't hear you, sir. Okay, I can hear you now. No, like I can hear you, but your voice is cracking, so I can't hear what you're saying.
Okay, maybe it's the internet. Okay, I said can you do negative slicing for me? So all these ones that are positive. So try and do maybe the first three.
The first three. So I'm basically just putting negative in them.
No, I didn't say don't edit that one. Don't edit it. Don't touch that one that you did. I want you to do it, but that's to repeat that one, but this time with negative slicing.
So I should make another one.
Remember? Yes, that's what I mean.
Oh, okay. Oh, flip.
Don't cut to. I said yes.
So negative one.
Are you sure it's negative one?
Or
are you
zero,
for that?
Zero.
Remember, it's not zero. It's not zero. When you're counting negative, remember you're counting from the right hand side. So for instance, for today's, you see that today's, you are going to count from question mark. The question mark is -1. T is -2.
Minus 40.
Well, is it 40?
Because it's down here.
Okay, excellent. So well, give it a try. -40. Let's see. -40.
I'm -39.
Are you sure? For today's.
For today.
The apostrophe. Yes. If T is minus 40.
I thought you said for two. I thought you said for the question mark.
No. You can't start the question mark now. We're starting from today's. We want it to show that same way. Today's class was interesting, but we're using negative slicing. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You don't understand. Okay, let's do the first one together, but you will do the remaining one. Now,
no, sir, I said I understand.
Oh yeah, now go ahead and do it. Let's see. So T will be minus 40. Sir? Let's see if T should be minus 40. What is the S in today's? What will it be?
The S in today's will be
and the easiest way is to look at T minus 40, O minus 39, D minus 38, A minus 37, Y minus 36, apostrophe minus 35, S minus 34. Now, do you want to test and see if you've gotten that first one so that you can be sure where to continue the remaining one from? So, can you see what is the only thing that is missing? Minus 34. So, we're going to make it minus 33. Remember, when you are doing slicing, you always add one.
Okay, it works.
So,
everybody tired. 3, 30, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, I just want to check it is right or wrong.
Minus. You left out your minus. You left out your minus.
I don't want to check that it is right.
It can't. Minus 38. How will it be minus 38? It can't be minus 38. It's not possible. Remember, you're counting. Do you get minus 33, minus 32? That's how you should be going.
Oh, 32, 33.
That C, you said C is minus 33, right?
Oh no, sorry, I'm counting your own way. Like 32, 31, 31, 31, 32, 33. Oh my god. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Do you drop it what?
I thought you said 27. No.
3.
Okay, so minus 32, right?
Wait.
Or minus 33?
33.
Okay. All right. So
then go here and this becomes 27. 27, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22.
Okay, you're making progress. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm doing all of it.
Yes, please. Let's just do all of it. Since you seem to be getting it now.
22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 10, 9. Yeah.
I think you overcounted.
Yes, I did. You what? I got to do the other ones.
Remaining wasn't.
And nine.
Did you count it? Are you sure it's 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I think it might go to positive.
It can't go to positive. Oh. It has to end. It has to end with
But
negative.
3, 2,
Yes.
1, 0.
That means that's why I said that you've overcounted. So the reason why it's looking like it's still correct is the spaces are not showing.
It's 4.
Yeah.
Let me check
You see,
5.
you're checking. You're not sure.
Okay, now it's 4.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to check in case.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
Okay. So now what do you think we'll do for that last one?
0.
Really? Are you sure? So just put -1. Don't put anything. Just put -1. It should work. I'm expecting it to work. You know that sometimes slicing can take only one index.
Yeah, okay, so. Okay, it worked.
All right. Okay, that's a good job. Well done. So you see how negative slicing is. It's quite straightforward, right? It's just that you're counting,
Yes.
uh with the negative indexes. All right. So that's good. Let's move on to another method. Can you still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll send you something in the chat box now. Just hold on a bit. All right.
I can't hear you.
Oh boy. Can you hear now?
A little, not too much.
Hear me much, oh. I'm typing something now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what I sent to you, put it inside document.write. Let's see what it will show.
Okay, sir.
You can put it after the closing curly brace for what the while loop.
Closing curly brace. Okay. Sorry.
Yes, okay.
Enter.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
All right. Let's see what it shows.
It says
Okay.
today. It says today.
Okay, okay. So make that 6, 7. Make it 7.
So this is basically
Yes.
another way
Of slicing. Yes,
yes.
exactly. Correct. Okay. So take a look. Look at it and look at the one you did. The first one that you did for slicing. Are they the same thing?
No.
It's the same thing. Now look at it very well.
Like the
My
code.
have you? Yes. Now your code. My string dot slice 0,7. My substring. My string dot substring 0,7. Is it not the same thing?
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can think of it this way: substring and slicing and slice are the same. Okay, just like art and char art.
Okay, sir.
But do you remember the difference between char art and art? Can you remember?
Um. I can't remember.
Let me remind you, but you can't be forgetting. No. The difference is that one of them can take negative indexes, while the other one cannot. So which one is it that cannot take negative index? Do you remember now?
Is it chart?
Yes, it's chart. It's chart. So this one too, substring and slice are the same, but there's a difference. Substring cannot take anything less than 0 as its index. So in other words, this thing that you did for slicing that could take minus this, minus that, it will not work in substring. Did you get that now?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it, or you want to try it out yourself?
I want to try it out myself.
Okay, so go ahead. Try putting the same, use the negative values that gave you today's in your slicing and put them, see if it will work. No, you don't need to copy everything, just do for today's. I think you just want to test, right?
Yes. Oh, sorry, this one.
Minus 40 minus 33.
Okay.
Minus 40 and minus 33. You can test this and see if it will give you anything.
No.
So can you see this? Do you remember the same thing happened with char art? When you put negative index,
Yes.
it will not show anything.
Yes,
Did you remember?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So at least now you have seen that substring will not take anything negative. But just know that it's an alternative to what? Slice.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I want to show you one more that looks like substring. Okay.
Okay. One more before you go.
I hope you will understand this one. Now, I'll send it to you in the chat box, and I'll send it to you now. All right. Now take a look at that one. It looks like substring, right? But I want you to test and see what it will show.
I should test it. I should test this one.
Yes, put it inside the document. Right. Of course. You can put it under that one for substring. Yes, under there. So you that's something to like to show.
Okay, ma. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Are you ready to? Why not change back substring to 0,7? Yes. The one that it allowed. Okay. All right. Go ahead and test your code. Let's see.
It works.
But there's something I missed, right?
Yes, sir.
So go back to the code. Let's fix it. Now, this one that I just sent you now, you notice it looks like substring, right? It's not
Yes,
like
sir.
it's not complete, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what exactly is it doing? I'll explain. That 8 that you see there is the index for the first letter in what you are interested in. So in this case, we are interested in the word class, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you count from, you see that class is exactly at number 8. Remember, you are starting from 0. So if you count T, 0, O, 1, so on and so forth, once you reach C in class, C is exactly 8. Now, comma, what comes after the comma is the number of characters in class. Now, I mistakenly said 4, but it was actually supposed to be 5. So change it to 5. Yes, because there are 5 letters in class. So go ahead and test your code. Let's see if it's correct now.
It says class.
Exactly. So that's what we wanted to achieve, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So if you were to make a choice between slice, substring, and I don't know how to pronounce that one. The one that I just sent to you now. The one that is not complete, but that is like substring. Which one would you choose? Because
Slice.
all of this to be the same thing, right?
Slice.
You prefer slice.
Yes. So I'm more used to it than the other.
If you get used to substring and the one I just introduced to you.
Yeah, I'll use the short version of substring.
Okay, I like that. Yes, I like the way you call the short version. So it's like the abridged version or the abbreviated version. Yes. Okay, that's good. All right. So just remember how it works. the first index is the position of the first character, and then followed by the comma, and then followed by the number of characters in the string. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you, what do you think will happen if we only put the position of the first character? What do you think will happen?
Position of the first character.
Yes. So let's see, instead of that 8,4, you only put 8. What do you think will happen?
I think it will still show class. I think, I'm guessing.
Do you think it will show only class?
Sir?
Do you think it will show only class? Only class?
No. It will not show
Okay.
class.
What will it show?
Everything.
Everything, including today's?
Yes. No.
So it will show class and the rest of the string. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and test it.
Okay. Test. It says class was interesting, wasn't it?
So what did you? So your guess was right.
Yes.
So anytime it has only one argument, that thing between the parentheses, we call it argument. Anytime it has only one argument, that argument is the what? The position of the first character.
Yes,
Then if it doesn't see the one that follows the comma, it will just assume that you are taking the rest of the string. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to send one more method now in the chat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these methods, you see that they are how to work with matters. Let me see. Okay. My string dot. Let's see. Okay.
You were going, I will never see you kind, and be rooted to your grace.
All right. So what I got to you now, inside a document dot write.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I see it. So I should write it. Okay. The document dot write. So is there like any controls to copy?
Yes. Shortcut, right?
Yes.
Okay. Shortcut for copy is Control C. Control C.
Control
C. Yes. But you have to
Okay,
highlight it.
it works.
Yes. Yes. Control C. Maybe one day we'll just. Oh no, there's no need to learn shortcuts separately. As we're working, I'll just be teaching you There are different shortcuts, you can use. They help you to be faster when you are typing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so finish your document.write. You've not finished the
Oh,
the
yes.
parentheses and all.
Post. Yes, yes. That is the code.
Mm-hmm.
He said Saturday.
Just Saturday.
Yeah,
No,
but
look at
not
it
on a
now.
good.
Today's class
Oh,
was interesting,
today's
wasn't
class
it?
was interesting, wasn't it?
And then it ended with
Saturday.
Saturday. Did you see that space in between the question mark and Saturday?
Yes.
Where did you think that space came from?
Um. Let's look at my code.
Where do you think
Is
the
it?
space came from?
Is it from here?
Yes, that's it. That's it. That's the space. So that concat, you remember that time we said that plus sign helps you to concatenate things. We called it a concatenator, right?
Yes, sir.
So this method is a string method that helps you to do what that plus sign does. So you can concatenate with this one too. So
Yes, sir.
concat, you have to call it after the one that you want to concatenate all the other ones to. So you notice I started with my string, right?
Yes, sir.
And then I said dot concat. So that means it will take my string first. Today's class was interesting, wasn't it? Then it will
Yes,
now
sir.
concatenate or join one space and then join again because of the comma. Join again whatever is in day, which is what? Saturday.
Saturday.
Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So these are string methods. I want to see how far we can go today. I'm just explaining as many as I can explain. Let's see how far we can go with it today. If we can finish it today, it will be good so that we go to something else.
Yes, sir.
Mm. All right. Um, let's see. Okay. Okay, I'll send you something now in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Let's see. Okay. Check out what I sent.
Yes, sir. Okay, I see it. So,
Okay, go ahead and test it.
says 70,000.
So can you guess what this method does? Just look at it from the name. padEnd. What do you think it does?
Add 0.
That's it. It adds 0 to the end, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, how many zeros does it add? It doesn't add 5. Oh. It added 4, isn't it? So that with the 7, everything will be 5. Did you get that now?
Yes, sir. I just had some thinking time.
So that means if you had changed that 5 to 6, instead of 70,000, what will we have?
No, something. If we turn it to 6, it will be 5 zeros.
It will be 5 zeros. So that how many? What number would that be?
700,000.
700,000, correct. So you understand how it works now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I think it's better for us to let me not. I think we can stop here. I'll check if we need to. We might. I'm sure if we don't finish, if we didn't exhaust them today, I'm sure by the next class we'll be done.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So do you have any
Okay,
questions? What the
no,
ones you
sir.
learned today? How many did you learn today?
How many did I get?
How many did you learn today?
A lot. Like 4 new things. Maybe 3.
I want you to list them.
Sir?
I want you to list them, and I didn't ask you to unshare your screen.
Oh, so, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five new methods, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, 4. 4.
Yes, 4. All right.
Yes, sir. 4.
Okay. So you say you don't have any questions?
No, sir. I don't.
Okay. All right, no problem. Okay, so we'll meet on Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll send you something to do before Thursday. So
Yes.
we'll have our class by 6:10.
I always have 6:30.
6:30.
I mean 6 o'clock.
That no 6:10. 6:10. The reason why I say 6:10 is so that by the time I that 10 minutes I can use it to prepare and join our class.
Okay.
So So I'll send you something to do. I guess maybe you probably do it tonight or tomorrow after you get back from school.
Apologies, sir. I'll most likely do it tomorrow.
Okay. All right, no problem. Okay. Have a good night rest.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right. Bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Yeah.